Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock DW-5750. And first, we need to get to the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times, like this, until you get to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, you need to press the adjust button on the top left. You might need to use your fingernail like this. And the second is flashing or blinking. And now we can set the time format using the bottom right button, this one. So this one is 24-hour format, sorry. And this one is the 12-hour format. Okay, let me set to 24-hour format for this video. And then next, you can reset the second using the top right button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now press the mode button, and we are moving to the setting of the hour. You can use the top right button to change the number, to increase the number like this. And if it's already passing the number that you want, then you can press and hold until something like this. Okay, so you cannot reduce, but you can increase until you get to the number that you want, like this. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the minute. Also the same thing, you can press the top right button to change the number up, and you can also press and hold to speed up the process, like this. And then press one by one if it's already near the number that you want. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is for the year. Also the same thing, yes, and if it's already passing the year, then you can press and hold until 2099, and it will cycle back to 2000, like this, 2099, and then back to 2000, and then you can set the number that you want. So now 2026, okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the month. Also the same thing, use the top right button to increase the number. So let me set back to February, this one. Again, mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, press and hold if you want to speed up. Let me set to 3. Oh, sorry. Okay, yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now press the mode button and back to the setting of the second. If you're done with the settings for the time and also calendar, you can press the adjust button. And done. That's all for the basic settings. Hopefully useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video for the detailed tutorial. Have a great day.